5 Best Type-C Cable. Here is the product number 5. Fast Magnetic Phone Charging Cord Type-C Cable. Brand name, Elough. Connector B, Lightning, Type-C, Micro USB. Maximum current, 3A. Surface material, nylon. Connector A, USB-A. Features, magnetic, 3-in-1. Micro USB cable, mobile phone cable wire cord. Quick charge 3.0 cable. Here is the product number 4. Baseus USB Type-C cable. Material aluminum alloy plus TPE plus nylon braided wire. Brand name, Baseus. Connector B, Type-C. Maximum current, 3A. Surface material, nylon. Connector A, USB-A. Color black, gray, red. Feature, quick charge 3.0 USB Type-C cable QC 3.0 cable. Here is the product number 3. Ugreen USB Type-C cable for Samsung. Brand name, Ugreen. Connector B, Type-C. Maximum current, 3A. Surface material, nylon. Connector A, USB-A. Features, alloy connector. Type, USB Type-C cable, USB-C cable, USB cord. 95 minutes fully charged. Upgrade 3A fast Type-C cable. Here is the product number 2. USB Type-C cable mobile phone cord wire. Brand name, Marjay. Connector B, Type-C. Connector B, Micro USB. Maximum current, 2.4A. Surface material, nylon. Connector A, USB-A. Features, magnetic, 2-in-1, 3-in-1, with LED indicator, alloy connector. 360-degree round plug design. Here is the product number 1. USB cable fast charging USB Type-C. Product feature, magnetic design. Make you experience the best way to charge your phone. Built-in blue LED indicator illuminates when the cable is active. Ultra durable. Metal port plus nylon braid wire, makes product durable and resists kink and tangles. Easy to charge. The plug is separated from the cable. Plug can stay on the phone, only 1 second connected to charge.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.